Hi wonderful people, so today I am going to be doing a review video on my two Coco handle Chanel bags. I'm really excited about it just because I've been talking about this review video for the longest time. So now I'm finally making it. So if you guys are interested on what I think about these two bags, definitely keep on watching this video. So hi, if you're new to this channel, my name's Derek. I do all things luxury related here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, definitely subscribe to this channel and also press the notification button and also press the like button, because if you press one thing, might as well press others because they're all kind of close to each other. So yeah. So let's get right into each colors and from like what collection it's from. So I'm going to start off with this yellow one. This is a yellow Coco handle in size small from, or I guess now it's called medium, just because they added the like smaller, the micros.
What?
I don't know what it's called. The extra mini, extra small.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know. I believe it's called the extra mini, but they added that one into it, so that's like the small one and like the really smallest one, and then they have like the mini one that used to be like the smallest, and all these like namings for Chanel sizes is really confusing. But if you go into the store, this is the medium now. They do have like a bigger one. Sorry about like this super long rant about like sizes or whatever. The color yellow from the 20K collection. And pretty much this is a yellow kind of color. On camera it's showing like super bright kind of like yellow. But it's more of a creamy kind of like yellow in person. It definitely has some like green undertones to it, so sometimes it does pick up green depending on the lighting, as like right now it's like super bright and like it looks like a chartreuse kind of like bright kind of yellow but on camera, but in person it's more of a creamy kind of like yellow kind of color, and I love the color yellow. And then this one, it is my lilac from 28 collection, and pretty much it comes off as it's supposed to come off as like a lilac color, but it definitely comes off as a blush baby kind of pink kind of color. It does have like undertones of purple depending on the lighting. Sometimes it kind of comes off as gray, or like it has like hints of gray, and then sometimes it kind of looks white. Again, depending on the lighting, it will definitely change. So I'm just gonna get right into the specs of the bags, as in like the dimensions and what I like and what I don't like about these bags. Base length, it is 11 inches, so it's 11 inches across, and then the height is 8 inches. And then the width is 4.5. And then it says the drop, which I'm assuming that it is this handle from here to there. It says 3 inches, and then with the chain, it says that it's 19.5 inches. The hardware comes in like this like light gold kind of hardware, and then it has a strap with the leather woven in between the chains or whatever, and then it has like a shoulder leather part for the straps. And then what I really do like about the strap, it has detachable kind of like straps, so you can either take them off or just have it on, leave it hanging like that. Something that I like to do is I like to take the straps, cross it, and then loop it over this top handle, so it just kind of looks like that. And then in the back it just kind of like has like this chain kind of like in the back. If I do it in the front, it doesn't like look as nice. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not too crazy about that, but I don't know, maybe some people might like it, maybe some people won't. I rarely take off the strap just because it's kind of a hassle, or it's gonna be annoying just taking it on and off if I do ever like need like extra hands or whatever. It does come with a top handle, which I really like because it's like sturdy, it stays in place, and I just obsessed with top handles ever since I got my Hermes Kelly bag. After I got this bag, I was like, oh my god, I'm sticking to bags that only have like top handles because I'm like obsessed with them, and I really love them when they just stay in place. CC turn lock, which is on like the classic flap kind of bags, and when you open it on the inside, at least mine's, it is a fabric lined kind of bag, so it's, if you guys can see, it's fabric lined. I believe now they recently, I'm not sure in what collection that they started doing it, but I know that now on the inside it has leather lined, so it's probably going to be like a heavier kind of bag, and it is leather lined, so I believe that's when the last price like increase kind of happened, and the Coco handles went up by like a few $100s, I want to say. So the bag itself has two compartments, one big and then one small, and then it has like the pockets that you would normally see on the classic flaps, and it has two compartments, and then it has that lipstick holder, and then it has bigger compartments, and then kind of a smaller compartment in the back, and then in the middle where it like kind of divides, it's really hard to like show you guys right now, but on the middle it has a zipper, and then in the far back it has like a smaller compartment where it has a zip. My authenticity card, which is the 30 series, I believe that they're on 31 right now, so I keep authenticity card all the way in the back, and then I also keep kind of like dusting buffer kind of cloth that normally comes with like any Chanel bags that you buy with it. So I keep that in the back. Again, the top handle. I'm obsessed with like a one-handed kind of bag. I just love how it just stays in place, and then what I really another thing that I really like is the detachable kind of straps. I would just, again, cross the handles and then place the straps like that. I don't know, that's fine with me, and then just have like the chains still in the back. Just because I'm a type of person where, like, to me, like, I'm not always carrying it like frontwards. Sometimes I might like grab it, and then like if I'm like getting out of car or whatever, I might like hold it facing from the back, so the chains are kind of like just draping over it, and I feel like this looks better than it being kind of draped in the front where like the CC is. I don't know. That's just me. Those are like the little weird things that I think about or like have an issue with. Another thing that I really do like about these Coco handles, it has the Lego hardware look really good with the yellow and also my lilac one, so if you guys can just see right there, I think it looks beautiful, like it's pretty. I'm not really fond of antique looking, kind of like brushed kind of like hardware on the Coco handles. I don't know, ever since my boy bag, that's like, I don't know. I'll do a whole video on this boy bag, but I don't know. I really do like how it has like the shiny hardware instead of it being like antique or whatever looking. So something that I really don't care for is when you open the inside, you see how it has the two compartments that I was talking about before. It has like a bigger compartment, and then it's divided by like a zipper pull, and then it has a smaller compartment in the back. I feel like that is such a waste of space. I definitely wish that that dividing right there just was not there. Like, I prefer it not even being there, because I feel like I could put a lot more stuff in there if I wanted to, but I can't because this dividing middle part is like in the way. So I feel like you can't really put a lot of stuff in the bag. Something that I do want to see with the newer Coco handles, if I do get a new one, probably will. But I just want to see the leather lined one. I want to see like if I would like it better than the fabric ones that's like fabric lined on the inside. Something else that it has on the bottom, it has like the 4 feet, which I know people like having. I feel like my Coco handle from the 20K collection is a lot more stiffer and sturdier than my Lilac 20A. I don't know, just like feeling it, this is a lot more stiffer than my Lilac one. I feel like this one's like a little more squishier, and like when I do squish it, it like definitely will just like squish. But if I did that with like my yellow one, I feel like it's a lot more sturdier. But again, I feel like the leather for the caviar, it's not going to be the same for each collection. And I know that like people say that a lot. I definitely do feel like the 20K Coco handle, the caviar, it is a lot more sturdy and stiffer. Whereas the Lilac one, it's just a little more squishy. That's just something I noticed about both of these bags. So right now I am going to show you guys what actually fits in here. I am just going to show you guys. And here it is. Oh, my AirPods are falling out. So what I can fit in here, I normally put in the back of the bag. It is my phone. So normally I would just put the phone all the way in the back. So all of this stuff right now that I'm taking out right now, it is from this first kind of like part. But I have my key clay, my Victorine wallet, which I have right here in black. Again, have 2 wallets just because one of them, which is the key clay, has like cards that I normally use, and then my Victorine wallet has like cash or has like cards I don't really use as much, but I still want to carry with me so I don't like lose everything all in one wallet. My 4 key clay, which is like a whole different, it's to like my house or whatever. So I have those in here, which is my keys. Decided to put a Emily wallet in here. It's like personalized and stuff like that. This doesn't have anything at the moment, but I just want to show you that you can put a longer wallet in here. All of this that I just showed you, minus the phone, can fit in the first compartment. Other things that I just have is the Authenticity card, which is the 30 series. The 30 series, have that, and then I just have the tags that it came with. I should have did this with my Coco handle with the yellow one. I don't know, I decided to just keep the tags and everything all in one place, so if I ever do want to decide to sell it, I can just have all that together. But yeah, but I don't think I'm going to sell it anytime soon. So that was pretty much my review on my 2 Coco handles. I love them to death. Do I want to add more to my collection? Yes, I do. But I'm really excited about like just owning these 2 at the moment because they are like both really stunning kind of colors. This like baby pink kind of purple kind of bag, and then like this like yellow kind of color. They both make me happy, and I highly suggest adding a Coco handle to your collection if you guys don't have one already. And hopefully you guys learned something new by watching this video, and have a wonderful day because you're wonderful, and don't forget it. Alright, bye guys.